Hello and welcome to a District 228 Tech tutorial. Today we're going to talk about using classwork or announcements with just one student or a group of students. When you select the Classwork tab, you would create your assignment, as per usual, filling out your information like the title, adding your documents. On the right-hand side, this All Students drop-down, deselect all students, and click only on the students that you want that assignment to be sent to. You would assign it like normal. Similarly, when you're in the stream, you can select an announcement to only go to particular students. This is great for differentiating, given practice assignments to only one student, a couple of students, or any other applications that you have for not assigning something to your whole class. When you're on the student side, students only see what's assigned to them. They don't see what's assigned to other students in the class. If you have any questions, contact a librarian.